Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get pumpkin pie in Secret Staycation. First, you'll need to navigate to the hidden kitchen area. This spot is often cleverly disguised, so keep an eye out for subtle clues. Once inside, your primary goal is to locate the special pumpkin pie recipe book. It's usually tucked away, perhaps on a high shelf or behind a decorative item. Finding it is crucial for the next steps. After securing the recipe, your next task is to gather all the ingredients. Head to the garden patch to find ripe pumpkins. Look for ones that are a good size, perhaps weighing around 3 pounds. Then, visit the pantry for sugar and various spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Finally, make your way to the farm area to collect fresh eggs and milk, ensuring you have everything needed for baking. With all your ingredients in hand, it's time to bake. Carefully follow the recipe's mixing instructions, paying close attention to proportions. For example, you might need 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Once mixed, place the pie in the oven, typically at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake until golden brown. Patience is key here. Let the pie cool completely before attempting to serve it. Congratulations, you've successfully baked a delicious pumpkin pie. Now for the best part, enjoying your hard work. Carefully slice the cooled pie into generous portions, perhaps 8 slices from a 9-inch pie. For an extra treat, add a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Share your culinary masterpiece with your fellow staycationers and savor the sweet reward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.